Your HOTSEAT Interview Simulator kit contains the following: the rules. We recommend also some help phrases, the game board, the outside the comfort zones to remind players of eliminatory types of questions, your pack of interview questions. All of these questions have been validated by 10 HRMs in several countries of the world. Your scorecard just to take notes of expressions. We recommend either a timer or a telephone. Assessment criteria as a guide for awarding points, but you can just decide to award points on your gut feeling. Smileys, frownies, and any type of pawn that you would like to use to show your progression in the game. So you can either, if you have access to our Smart Games Builder connected cards, you can use the connected cards, or you can use connected bracelets, and obviously for this you will need also to use our special dedicated Smart Games Builder software. So, how do we play?